Hi, welcome. Today we have a special guest with us, Jeremy, an expert who's making waves with groundbreaking technology called BL Predict. Hey Jeremy, great to have you here today. All right, let's dive in. To start, can you tell us a little bit about BL Predict, Jeremy? What is it, and why do you think it's making such a big impact?
Absolutely. So, BL Predict is a predictive maintenance feature in Carl software that uses AI to monitor and analyze asset performance in real time. It's like having a crystal ball for your equipment. It tells you when something might go wrong before it actually happens. This means you can fix problems early, avoid downtime, and save a ton of money.
That's really fascinating. It sounds like a huge leap forward. What do you think makes it stand out from other similar tools out there?
Good question. Traditional maintenance is mostly reactive. You wait for something to break and then fix it, or you follow a set schedule for maintenance even when it's not needed. With BL Predict, it's all about being proactive. It watches your assets 24/7, predicting exactly when they need maintenance, so you're ahead of the game. It's way more efficient.
Wow, that really sounds like a step forward. So, which industries or businesses would benefit the most from using BL Predict?
Honestly, it's for any business that relies on equipment or assets. Think about manufacturing, transportation, utilities, or even healthcare. For example, manufacturers can avoid costly production line shutdowns, and hospitals can make sure their critical equipment is always up and running. BL Predict is super versatile. It can help in pretty much any industry.
That's great to hear. So how exactly does BL Predict make these predictions? I mean, is it like some kind of magic?
Not exactly magic, though it does feel like it sometimes. It works by pulling data from IoT sensors, maintenance records, equipment usage, and environmental factors. The AI then analyzes all of that to spot patterns, predicting when something might fail. It's pretty smart, and the more data it gets, the better it becomes.
That's pretty impressive. Now let's talk downtime. How does BL Predict help businesses reduce it?
Downtime is every company's worst nightmare, right? With BL Predict, you can schedule maintenance at the right time before something breaks. No more surprise shutdowns or emergency repairs. It keeps everything running smoothly so disruptions are minimized.
Definitely sounds like a game changer. What about cost savings? Can BL Predict really help businesses save money?
Absolutely. When you catch problems early, you're avoiding those expensive repairs and replacements. Plus, you're not spending money on maintenance you don't actually need. When your equipment lasts longer and downtime is reduced, the savings really add up. Most businesses see a return on investment within just a few months.
How accurate are the predictions? Can businesses really rely on BL Predict?
Absolutely. The AI behind BL Predict is incredibly advanced. It learns from the data it analyzes, so its predictions are very reliable. It's like having a maintenance expert on call 24/7 who never makes a mistake.
For companies new to this kind of technology, how easy is it to get started with BL Predict?
It's actually pretty straightforward. We walk businesses through every step. Setup, training, you name it. BL Predict integrates really smoothly with their existing systems, so it's not a big headache to get things rolling.
That's good to hear. So, how long does it typically take before businesses start seeing results?
Results can start showing up fairly quickly, sometimes within the first few weeks. It depends a bit on the data, but generally, once it starts analysing, businesses can begin seeing predictive insights that help them make smarter decisions.
That's pretty fast. What about the long-term benefits? What do companies typically see once they've been using BL Predict for a while?
The long-term benefits are huge. It's all about efficiency and cost saving. Over time, businesses can really reduce downtime and unexpected failures, which leads to better productivity and lower maintenance costs.
Sounds like a game changer. But what about the people using it? Does it require a lot of technical expertise?
Not at all. The platform is designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. Our team provides support, and the system is intuitive enough for most people to get the hang of quickly.
That's great. It seems like you're really focused on making it accessible for everyone. What's next for BL Predict? Any exciting developments on the horizon?
We're always improving. Right now, we're working on making the AI even smarter and expanding its capabilities to handle more complex scenarios. Plus, we're adding new features that will make it even easier to integrate with a wider range of systems. To learn more, just visit our website, www.ieng.tech, or reach out to us directly. We're happy to set up a demo and show you exactly how BL Predict can work for your business.
That sounds like it's only going to get better. Before we wrap up, is there anything you'd like to share or add with our viewers about why they should consider BL Predict?
Absolutely. If you're looking to save time, cut costs, and improve the reliability of your operations, BL Predict is definitely worth exploring. It's a tool that pays for itself in the long run, and the insights it provides can truly transform how a business operates. One last thing I'd like to explain. If you look at this graph, it really highlights the benefits of predictive maintenance, PDM. On the x-axis, we have the number of failures, and on the y-axis, the costs associated with both preventing and fixing those failures. You'll notice that preventive maintenance PM, the orange line, minimizes breakdowns and failures by proactively scheduling maintenance. However, the total cost remains high because of the significant expenses associated with preventive maintenance. On the right-hand side of the graph, as preventive maintenance decreases, corrective maintenance CM, the light blue curve, becomes the dominant approach. This shows how costly it can be to fix issues only after they occur. This scenario is undesirable because no one wants unexpected downtime, and the total cost once again becomes very high. Now, if we focus on the middle section of the graph, it represents an optimal approach, predicting failures before they occur. This allows maintenance to be performed just in time, reducing both preventative maintenance costs and expensive breakdowns. The key takeaway here is that predictive maintenance strikes the ideal balance between preventive and corrective maintenance. It offers the most cost-effective and efficient approach for any organization.
Wow, that's really well explained. And that's a wrap for today's discussion. Jeremy, thank you so much for joining us and sharing all your insights about BL Predict. We hope this conversation has given you a clearer understanding of how this innovative technology can make a real difference. If you've got any questions or just want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out at iEngineering on our email ID, inquiries@iengaust.com.au. We're here to help. Thanks again, Jeremy, and we can't wait to see what's next for BL Predict. Take care.